Hi, so next lab is going to be about the cloud config and cloud init. And before we start with the lab, we'll have a basic understanding what exactly are those. So cloud config and cloud init allows the customization of the VMware Aria Automation template so that it can be deployed in any cloud provider, vSphere, AWS, Cloud, Google Cloud, Azure, any other web service. So what it happens, cloud init is an industry standard software which is installed on the operating system. Then cloud config is a YAML code which we specify in VMware Aria template to send the instruction to the cloud init. So what it happens when you will create this template, at that time cloud init is a software which is been used by CentOS, Ubuntu, and for Windows it is cloud base init which is been used. So what it happens, once you configure, you install the cloud init in the CentOS and perform all the changes, then the CD-ROM has to be changed to the pass-through CD, which is been used by the cloud init to pass the instructions from the cloud config. So yeah, let's start with the cloud config lab. We'll log into vServer client. We'll create a new VM. We'll click next. So next. Test operating system, will choose CentOS. Next. Now we'll specify 2 CPUs. 6 GB memory and 20 GB hard disk. From networking, we'll select the production. As a production, we'll attach the disk from ISO. This CentOS 8. We have attached the disk. And we'll select connect on power on. In VM options, we'll just change the boot options. We'll specify BIOS. And force entry into BIOS once we boot. Click next and check all this config and finish. We'll right click on this and power on. We'll connect to web console. We are in boot. Boot tab. We'll change to CD-ROM and move it to the top. So with control plus, we can change the order. We change to CD-ROM, then click on exit. We'll install the CentOS Stream 8. Now it will perform the basic installation how we do for the CentOS. We'll select US, continue. We'll select the root password. Then we'll go on network and name. We'll connect the Ethernet. We'll change the host name. CentOS dot v class dot local. The IP has been assigned from the DHCP server. Click done. In software, we'll select this hard disk. Software selection, we'll select the minimal and we'll select the development toolkit and system tool. System tool. Once we're done, click next. Click on destination. Select automatic. Click done. And begin the installation. This will take a couple of minutes. Log into this CentOS. In VI, change the SC Linux to disabled. Now restart it with init 6. Now log into this server up. Now check the SC status. It is disabled. Make sure the firewalls should be stopped. We'll disable it. We'll mask it. Now just validate the firewall state. It's not running. Now we can install Cloud Init. Something is wrong with the mirrors. We'll just reboot it. Yum install init. Yum. Now press cloud init clean. Now we'll shut it down. Init 0. We'll close this. We'll go in CentOS system. Click on add. Go in settings of this one. Go on CD-ROM. Change to pass through. Change to client device, and in device mode it should be pass through CD-ROM. Click OK. Now we'll convert this new, I'll just rename it. QA CentOS. We'll convert it to a template. Convert to template. Now in Vmware Aria Automation, login with ENGCA admin Vmware login. Go in cloud assembly. Click on infrastructure, cloud account. Open this one. Now sync the images, the new image which we have created. Wait until this will get completed. So once it is done, come to image mapping and click on new image. Specify the name QA CentOS. From here, click on data center. Click on image QA CentOS and create. So now you'll see the template which we have created. We have scanned it, and that particular template was having a cent cloud init installed. If it would be a Windows, then it is cloud based init. It has to be installed. So now we'll go in design. We'll create one template QA CentOS cloud config. We'll select the project. We'll create. So in here on desktop, in C materials, ICM cloud template, cloud config YAML file has been provided by, this has been provided by VMware. So what it is, we are going to have create a one machine and one network, and it is having a cloud config command, which is to change the host name. We'll copy this one. In here, we'll paste. In here, we'll specify the new image which we have created, CentOS. So we'll just review. We have an image, we have a flavor VMW small, we have a network configured which is pointing to this network, and its subnet is 172.20.11, and this is a cloud config command where we are running a command host rename, kind of we are setting the name, and this name is been provided by input. So we'll create deploy, we'll give a host name, a deployment name, QA test. Next, now it will ask for the input. I'll give my test QA and I'll deploy. Now the resources will get provisioned. Let's go in vCenter and review. Here it is cloning is happening, and this is the name. This is a resource name. We'll check the DNS name because as per the config cloud config, this command is executed, and this will change the name of the operating system. See, this has been created. Now we'll go in here. We can see the host DNS name, my test QA, which I have assigned, and I can log in and validate my test QA host. So this is how we can create an image and install cloud init software, then making a CD pass through. Afterwards, we discover that template on the Vmware Aria Automation, and then we create a deployment of using those templates. So this is a process. Thank you.